We are teaching everything from friction fire to shelter building to water purification, filtration. Why this is important for all human beings is if in any case of disaster, whether that's natural disaster, some sort of warfare, any kind of disaster, it is so important to be able to just walk away from the chaos, go into the woods, and know that you have the skills and the mindset to survive without a water bottle or a piece of grilled chicken. You can just walk in and you can survive. I think that's very important just because of, from we've been here, we've been involved in 3 landslides that could have led to some sort of disaster situation. And it's just really comforting knowing that you can take care of yourself and people around you with just a few skill sets. Most beautiful place I have ever been. Pakistan is the most beautiful place I've ever been on so many levels. Nature, the people, the sense of community. But just going off nature, the tallest mountains, the most beautiful mountains, some of the tallest trees I've ever seen, the clearest water that we're drinking right out of streams. Very, very, very beautiful, and not what a lot of people expect it's going to be. But it's very gorgeous, and I will be back.